welcome back everyone on this Monday afternoon. Still no snow, and as you can see I have Jill's moose antlers up on the shop.
Oh yeah. At least they're not in the house.
Let's go see what kind of a mess I made in the shop here before we go out to the yard. So I got some lumber in, some cherry, beech for benches, got some big cherry live edges, some hard maple, and I got some aspen to bring in. I got some soft maple, some red oak there, and we're getting pretty well getting in, but look what Jill made me do.
Let's take a look over here at my section.
This is Jill's section.
My corner. It's all nice and clean.
Is that a cot I see in the background? You've been taking a nap, or what have you been doing? Well, we thought we'd bring you in here quick and just show you we're getting pretty well
organized.
Starting to get organized a little bit. We got a little bit more work to do, but wanted to bring you in real quick before we headed out to the Woodyard. And Jill's got a beautiful surprise for you. She's going to be operating her box store splitter. I know some of you guys and gals are going to cringe. It's going to hurt your back. But we're going to show you how tough these Alaskan young ladies are.
Yeah, right now it is 20 degrees outside, but there's a wind chill factor. That's why I'm in my full getup between the boots and my winter gear.
Boots.
Yeah.
We're going to take a walk out and we'll get Jill's box store splitter set up, and we'll give you some shots of her splitting here. So stay with us. Well, we'll go here in the yard first and show you what Jill's got accomplished. And I actually piled some wood yesterday myself. It's kind of fun. I know why she likes to do it now. So we're going to do some processing late this afternoon here. It is chilly, but got to keep working. Had a customer come all the way from Anchor Point today, which is down near Homer. It's quite a ways from here. I don't know how far it is.
Well, it's 70 miles to Anchorage, and it's a 5-hour drive from Anchorage to Anchor Point.
Yeah, so it's he was 6 hours away. He bought a dump trailer up at Anchorage, and he came up and filled it with 1.5 cords of dry wood. And then we had another customer we delivered local to, an elderly gentleman that just moved into a new house with a wood stove. So we took him down 1 cord, and we're going to finish up cutting some of our older wood. This is the last of it here that we picked up last April. Got this wood pile cleaned up. I brought over a few more buckets from the other RV park so we can finish stacking up some wood. And
I was going to mention that I've already started high grading out some of the cookies for my lathe when I get ready to start working on my lathe. So
oh,
don't be throwing that in there.
Yeah, she's taking our wood. So we have a customer coming Wednesday morning for a 1/4 cord. So let's see if I can stand up on the piler and just give you a view of what we've got. So that's all dry birch here, all the way over to the canvas on top of the wood, and then all of this over here is fresh cut green for next year. So we're getting cleaned up here today. There's King Mountain. We won't get any sunshine here. Today is the last day we have sunshine on the property. It's already been here and gone. So tomorrow we will have no sun rays here, but it'll be on King Mountain and over in the background there. And it's right now, it'll be coming around behind Pinnacle Mountain, which we won't see. And just 4 miles down the road, the sun was shining when I just delivered the load of wood. So just right here where we are between the mountains, we're in the shadow for 8 weeks, right to the day. Yeah. So let's go over and we'll get set up here and let Jill entertain you with her splitter.
I'm just putting some logs up here so it makes it easier for when I get ready to split, if it's right here. And I can get all of them done at once without even moving. So, as you can see that big pile over here behind me, that's what I already did. This, that's right here by the splitter, I did that maybe an hour ago. I stopped for lunch. So if I can get a few more of these done today, that's less I have to do tomorrow. So let me get started. Well, folks, I don't want to torture you any more than I absolutely have to. Even though this is what I do, maybe a couple of hours a day, just trying to get these piles split. This is all I have left, and some of these are pretty big. So I'm going to let Jeff help me. Let me get these. I'm going to let Jeff help me put those up there on my splitter. But considering how big this stack was, I'll have this done tomorrow. Right now, Jeff has the processor lined up for me, and I didn't want to torture you anymore. I am getting excited about processing this wood. This is the perfect size that I like to do, and that nice white birch, it just pops open. Man, there's no work to it, even there on my little splitter. It just pops open. There's some uglies. Oh, that's cottonwood right there. Here's more birch. See, this is the size I love to do. Jeff doesn't like to because he says it takes too long to make a cord, but this is my size. So hopefully next week I'll be able to start working on that, since Jeff's already got this loaded on deck. We're getting ready to load it on the deck, so I can start processing it. That's why I only work a couple of hours on the wood splitters, because if I divide my time up between everything, I get what I can get done today, and it'll be there tomorrow.
I finished up what Jill started over there with her splitter. She come over and started processing. She's going to take a little coffee break, but she's got about a half a load done already in about 20 minutes, not much more than that. I've got another deck ready for her to go. We're going to try to finish this up tonight. You'll see this Wednesday morning, and Tuesday, tomorrow for us, we're going to have our Thanksgiving. My daughter and grandson are up, so we're going to have our Thanksgiving on Tuesday while she's here. And she goes back to Tennessee Wednesday night. So it's supposed to warm up here this weekend and get cold down there. So they're calling for 40 degrees here Saturday. Well, that all will change, of course. But Still, as you can see, no snow. We had a light dusting, or what I would consider a heavy frost.
I consider it a spit. It's a
Yeah,
spit.
Jill says it's spitting snow. Last year it was spitting snow. It spit 6 inches. I had to go out and plow. I'm going to get some bundlewood ready for her. She's going to continue on this program today. But we thought we'd bring you along for a quick video in the middle of the week here.
And we want to wish everybody happy Thanksgiving.
And hope you have a great holiday weekend and enjoy family, food, and friends. Well, thanks for joining us. And we keep the sawdust flying in the Alaska Woodyard.
And thanks for coming along.